Hello, Namaste, and welcome back to my channel Ayur Yoga Mudra. Now, today I'm going to tell you how to increase the vision of your eyes or beauty of your eyes. So, today I will demonstrate one mudra that is more efficient and more useful for your eyes, especially for your eyes. All the problems related to eyes, like you have a problem with long sight or short sight, vision problem, blurred vision, or redness in eyes. If you are using laptops or mobiles, then you can feel irritation in eyes, redness in eyes, or burning sensation. All the problems related to eyes, and there will be black marks in eyes. You need wish to want to change it, and you need to increase the eyes. You need to look eyes more beautiful, attractive. Then you can use this mudra. So not only this mudra is used for eye, better eyesight and eye problems, there are so many other importance and advantages, benefits for this mudra. So that will I explain after the demo process. So let me tell you about the mudra. Let me give a brief introduction. This mudra is called Prana Mudra. The Pran Mudra, the name itself means Pran. That means it gives life or energy. Same like that name, this mudra will give strength, immunity, and many importance. Like those who are having insomnia or sleep problem or don't have, cannot sleep in night and cannot wake up early in the morning, so they can also use this mudra. This mudra will make the body more effective, strength, and increases immunity and stability and the strength. This that and main thing is it will increase the, if you have deficiency in vitamin A, B, C, D, any vitamins. This mudra is useful for the vitamin deficiency also. So especially for kids, they can use this for vitamin deficiency or vitamin deficiency, so they can also use this mudra. There is one more thing. So this mudra is called pran mudra, and the same like before I tell, if you before you doing, your stomach must be empty. And another thing is there is no specific timing for this mudra. You can do this mudra at any time. One thing, your neck and spinal cord must be straight. Better you can sit in sukhasana. Now I will show the demonstration of this mudra. Please watch it carefully. So once more namaste, and let me do the demo. So this mudra also we doing in both the hands. Better you can sit in Padmasana or any position, no problem. The spinal cord and neck bone must be straight. You can do it in any convenient time. Now we are using these two fingers, the middle finger and index finger. Now touch the tip of thumb with little finger, small finger and ring finger. So the remaining index finger and middle finger must be straight and parallel. They have touched. So the tips in this mudra, the tips of thumb and little finger and ring finger must be touched. Don't give hard pressure, only give small pressure. That's enough. So this is pran mudra. So you need to do this mudra in both the hands. You can do this mudra 5 to 10 minutes, because this mudra is not necessary to do continuously for 15 minutes. You can take small breaks, like you can do 5 minutes and take rest, then again after 1 hour or 2 hour, then again you can do this mudra for 5 minutes, like that also you can do. And if you are watching TV also, you can do, no problem. You can do at any convenient time. Now I will show the picture of the mudra also. Let it watch it more carefully. This is pran mudra. So this mudra have no side effects, no need to worry. Only thing is empty, with the empty stomach you can do this mudra, and this mudra is so easy. So see the diagram more carefully. This is Pran Mudra. Only we are using the touching of 3 fingers, and the 2 fingers must be rest tip of the thumb, and fold the tip of the thumb and fold your ring and little finger. This is Pran Mudra. Then the benefits of this mudra are, for those who having red eye or red eye problem, red sore, they can use this mudra, and this mudra is very effective. And the people, those who having the problem in watery eyes or water coming from the eyes, if you look in mobile or laptop so much time this problem will happen, they can also use this mudra. Another thing is the problem with the dry eye. Those who having dry eye problem, they can also use this mudra. And those who wearing spectacles and wish to remove the spectacles, they can also use this mudra. Long side, short side problem, they can also use this mudra. And irritation or burning sensation in eyes, they can also use this mudra. This mudra is very much helpful. This is the number one best mudra for the care, for the better careness of your eyes. So for the better vision and everything attractive eyes, you can use this mudra. Rather than this related to eye, the other benefits of these mudras are, for this mudra, if you practice this mudra, then you will get better sleep. If you didn't get better sleep at night, then do this mudra. 100% sure you will get better sleep. And you have problem in wake up problem, like you in the early morning you are not able to wake up, or feeling laziness, tiredness, energy less, and then also you can do this mudra. So this mudra is useful for the energetic life. So do this mudra for this purpose also. Another important thing for this mudra is, this mudra will use for the vitamin deficiency. Those who are suffering from vitamin deficiency, any vitamin problem and vitamin deficiency, please do this mudra. You can 100% sure you can feel the change after the mudra process. Those who are having vitamin deficiency, please do this mudra. Please do this mudra. This mudra is more effective for the vitamin deficiency also. Another thing is for the strength purpose. Those who feel less strength and less energetic, they can also do this mudra. Those who are doing workout but cannot have the strength, or laziness, or morning they wish to do walking or jogging, but they can do feeling laziness or feeling less energy, less strength, cannot do anything, they can also do this mudra. This mudra is beneficial, Pran Mudra. Another thing is, you all know that now the corona and other diseases are coming. For better protection and increase the immunity of the system in a natural way, you can use this mudra. So this mudra will increase the immunity of the body. You can protect your body from diseases. Another thing is, if you need to increase the confidence, if you need to do a speech or need to attend in a meeting and you need to speak perfectly, you need to be a superman, need to give a super speech, then you can use this mudra. This mudra will increase the confidence of a person, either it is a boy or girl. These are the benefits of these mudras. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like my video, please like my videos, subscribe my channel, share my video. If you have any health problem, please comment in my comment section. Thanks for watching my videos. Definitely I come with another video with some health issues. If you have any health issues, please comment on my comment section. Thank you. I wish everybody have a fruitful, healthful life. Thank you.